G'day and welcome to Forest Rock's Qigong class. Today we're going to talk about anxiety. We're going to give you some exercises that are very, very good exercises to help alleviate the effects of anxiety and worry. We'll bow first into the class. Roll back onto your thumbs. Left hand underneath, right hand on top. Gong. Make a fist with the left hand, come with your right. Bring it towards your heart and then down to your physical center. Very good. The first exercise we're going to do is called Scoop the Earth and Part the Clouds. This exercise from the Shi Ba Shi Tai Qi Gong System. It's a very good exercise to help calm the body, calm the nervous system inside the body as well. So we start with our hands. We're going to lower ourselves down. It's like scooping leaves off the ground. And we're going to stand up. And the hand's going to turn over at your eyes. And you do a big circle around the outside. And lowering yourself down. Good. So scooping the leaves. So you're breathing in as you come up. And breathing out as you go down. Now when you go down, tuck your bottom forward so you don't stick your bum out. And so you also have a nice straight back. Breathing in. And then breathe out. Looking straight ahead. And then when you scoop the earth and you come to the sky to part the clouds, looking up to part the clouds. And then down. The next exercise we're going to do is called Sage Presents Peach. It's another good exercise for stress and strain in the body. Also helps to regulate the heart and the small intestine and the stomach. So you can rock back onto your heels, rock onto the other heel, and then come forward. Bring your hand forward with the palm facing up, the other palm facing down. Rock back onto the heel, swap to the other heel, bring your hand over and the palm facing up. So you're holding the peach in the palm of your hand. The other hand's face towards the ground. Breathing in and then breathing out. Breathing in and then breathing out. Breathing in, rocking back to the heels. Cross the other heel. Breathing out. Exercise we're going to do is called rolling with the waves. We're going to go to the right side first. Bring your toe facing towards the right side. Bring your hands up to press. Then bring your toe off the ground. And we're going to push forward. And we're going to bend the back foot forward. And you're going to put your chin on the chest. We're going to step back. Bring the toe up. The arms come straight back. Toe comes off the ground. Toe goes down first, then press. back. You breathe in as you come back, and you breathe out as you go forward. Breathing in. Breathing out. Breathing in and breathing out. This exercise is good for the spleen. It's also good for the mind. It helps to quiet the mind and calm the mind and calm the thinking. Breathing out. Breathing in and breathing out. Swap to the other side. Bring the hands in. And step to the other side. Toe off the ground. Toe goes down first, then step forward. Then step back, bring the toe up. Toe goes down first, and then press forward. Palms facing the ground, chin on the chest. Bring the toe up. Toe goes down first, then come forward. This next exercise is called Wild Goose Flying. It comes from the Shi Ba Shi Tai Qi Gong System. Okay. Bring your shoulders up, elbows up, wrists up. And then shoulders down, elbows down, wrists down. So as the arms go up, the body goes down. As the arms go down, the body goes up. And the last exercise is also from the Shi Ba Shi Tai Qi Gong System. This is called balancing the ball in the sunshine. This exercise is good for the spine, good for the thoughts, good for the mind, good to help anxiety, good to help worry and take worry and stress out of the body. You're going to change your weight onto your right leg. Bring your left leg up. Put the hand towards the knee. The other hand's facing towards the ground. Turn, put your left leg down and change to the other side. Breathe in and then breathe out. Take a breath in and then breathe out as the hand goes towards the knee. Breathing in and then breathing out. Those 5 exercises are very good for anxiety and worry. When you get too much thinking going on in your mind, too busy mind, those exercises will calm the mind, they calm the heart, and they calm the thoughts, and the thoughts will get quieter. And so they're very good exercises to do. If you have any questions, please ask about them. Yeah, cheers. Enjoy. Gong. Good. And take a step back and then bow. Very good. If you have any questions, please ask. Cheers. Have a beautiful day.